Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, we will explain to you about VR ISS. The theme is fingerprint technology. We are from Group 7. My name is Raihan Rizky Aksol, and there is my friends too. His name is Musa Habibur Rahman. Okay, next. What is architecture of technology? Technical architecture, or TA, is a form of IT architecture that is used to design computer systems. It involves the development of a technical blueprint with regard to the arrangement, interaction, and interdependence of all elements so that system relevant requirements are met. Next. What is fingerprint technology? Fingerprint recognition allows a person to be verified or identified through the analysis and comparison of his or her finger dermal ridges. Fingerprint recognition was one of the first techniques used for automatically identifying people, and today is still one of the most popular and effective biometric techniques. Next. Why we choose this term? The first one, we are motivated to do this research about this STEM because that has a great opportunities in the future to be used in various fields. And second reason is this STEM is so general understanding. Next. Okay, next is a brief history of fingerprint technology. Human fingerprints have been discovered on a large number of archaeological artifacts and historical items. In 1684, Nehemiah Grew, English plant morphologist Nehemiah Grew, published the first scientific paper reporting his systematic study on the ridge, furrow, and pore structure. And next, in the 1788, Mayer, a detailed description of the anatomical formations of fingerprints. Next. And in 1823, Purkinje proposed the first fingerprint classification, which classification into 9 categories. And in 975, the FBI funded the development of fingerprint scanners. Next.
The next discussion is about how the fingerprint works. Fingerprint scanners work by capturing the pattern of ridges and valleys on a finger. The information is then processed by the device pattern analysis or matching software, which compares it to the list of registered fingerprints on file. A successful match means that an identity has been verified, thereby granting access. Types of fingerprint scanners. First is optical fingerprint scanners. These are the oldest method of capturing and comparing fingerprints. Like the name suggests, an optical fingerprint scanner dwells on capturing an optical image, basically a photograph, and use algorithms to identify unique pattern on the surface, such as ridge or unique marks, by analyzing the lightest and the darkest areas of the image. The second of scanner in fingerprint scanners is capacitive scanners. Capacitive fingerprint scanners use array of small capacitor circuit to collect data about a fingerprint as opposed to creating the traditional image of a fingerprint. Since capacitor can store electrical charge, one can track the details of a fingerprint by connecting them to conductive plates on the surface of the scanner. The next, number 3, ultrasonic scanners. An ultrasonic pulse is transmitted against the finger that is placed on the scanner, while some of the pulse is absorbed, some is bounced back to the sensor. As per the reach, pores, and other details unique to each fingerprint. The last is optical capacitive scanners, like ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. Here, the sensor doing the scanning are hidden in the display. But the optical part requires line of sight in order to the light up the space around your finger. So this technique can work only with OLED display, where there are gaps in the back plane. Fingerprint technology in application is in bank security, physical access control, example airport, information system security, national ID system, password control, prisoners, identification of criminals, secure e-commerce, smartphone and computer securities, and others. Advantage and disadvantage of fingerprint technology. The advantage fingerprint have a lifetime validity and allows fast and easy one-finger access to unlock devices. Next is excellent way to identify unique individuals. Next advantage is very difficult to be faked or duplicated, and practically impossible to guess or hack. And the last is can be forgotten, even can be remembered. But there is a disadvantage of this technology. First is because it cannot be replaced for lifetime. Somehow this can be a disadvantage compared to the other types of security. Second is can still be stolen, even more insecure than a password stored in memory. The third is finger injuries. Finger injuries can interrupt successful fingerprint scanning and can deny access and cause confusion among and the last disadvantage is dirty fingers and germs can interfere with the scanning of the fingerprint. Maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.